What we have here is a 2015 Yamaha Bolt in colors black and red. Great looking bike. We'll get to the wide shot in a second. It appears the previous owner put a digital display on it, speedometer, odometer, etc. Substantially under 20,000 miles and priced well under $6,000. I like the stitching in the seat too, that matches the red stripe on the tank. Bike has a 942 cc V-twin engine and a 5-speed transmission. Previous owner also put a 2-in-1 Vance & Hines exhaust system, performance exhaust, and a high flow air intake. This bike does not look like it has almost 20,000 miles on it. It looks like it has 5. Yamaha has a cutout on the kickstand, so I can't start it for you so you can hear the pipe. So you have to come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle and take a listen. We're open 7 days a week for test rides.